the second question in the part modeling of section A. The unit is mmgs, decimal place is 2, arbitrary iron, ductile iron, and density. So we will try to make this using only 3 features. So let's move to the part modeling. First of all, we'll sketch the complete boundary from the front view. So let's take the line, start from here. Okay, so we have created the boundary from the front view. Now let's give all the dimensions. This is 78. This is 36. This is 15. This is 16. 24. Okay, the other dimensions. We can see from the side view. Thus, this point from the bottom is 58. And this angle is 65. Then this is 5. Now let's see what the dimensions are. This is 16. It is from the side view. You can see from the side view. And this is 18. Now what is left? It is these two lines that are blue now. So it just needs some constraining to do. Let's check. Okay, so we need to constrain these two lines, make them collinear. Now the sketch is complete, the boundary is ready, so we will go to extrusion. The extrusion width is 28 mm. This is done. Now we'll cut what we do not need. So let's just sketch on this plane. Make the line. And give the dimensions. This point is the midpoint, that is fine. This line is horizontal. And this is 65 degrees. Okay, so this is constrained. Now we just need to close the sketch. You can just close it like this. Now let's go to extruded cut, and the width that we need to cut is 28 minus 18. So we'll take blind, 28 minus 18 is 10 and enter. So this is ready. Now there are two cylinders on this surface, so we'll sketch on this. We'll create circle, give the dimensions. The diameter is 6 mm and from the top the distance is 7. And it is in the middle of this. So what we can do is we can create a center line and put this point on the line, clicking shift key, selecting both the features and make coincident. So now the circle is constrained. Then what we can do is can just select the circle, or the simple way would be to make a center line over here. Select these features and go to mirror entities, mirror about this axis and enter. So both our circles are ready now, just need to be extruded. Extrude height is 6 mm from the front view, so let's take it 6 mm and enter. And our part is ready. We're using only 3 features, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's give the material. The material here is ductile iron, so it would be in the iron category. Ductile iron, apply and close. So the material is applied. Now let's check the mass properties. Let's check the answer at the end of the PDF. The answer 497.28 gram, and we got 497.28. so yes, that is correct. So this was the second problem. Next problem in the next video. Thank you.